What is up, my shred heads? Welcome back to the channel. Let's welcome back Bomber Marv and Rad Alec. Today we're going to be going on an awesome ride with Bomber Marv's new bike. He always has some kind of new bike. What bike is this, Marv?
HPC.
The HPC? The Black Lightning. That thing is badass looking. And Rad Alec, he actually just got his rear hub upgraded by the Wizard Bomber Marv. And what did you add on this thing?
It was originally a 350 watt. We upgraded to a 750 watt this morning.
Awesome. So you're already feeling the torque on that thing, right?
Yeah, and got a 35 amp controller. Yeah, 35 amp controller.
Awesome, awesome, guys. So I can't wait to go for a ride with you guys. And guys, make sure if you guys want to support the channel, check out those links down below. Get $100 off any model Super 73 bike, especially the RX. And if you want $200 off the Huck cycle, check out that link below. Use code SHREDDIE for $200 off. If you guys are interested in one-stop board shop accessories for one-wheel Evolve boards, check out that link below. Use code SHREDDIE for 5% off. You want an Evolve board? Use code SHREDDIE, PEV, for $50 off. So stoked. It's actually a super cold day. I'm like layered up like crazy. I got a set of thermal pants on. I got some jeans on, and on top of the jeans, oh, I got I got some sweatpants, and on top of the sweatpants, I got these like windbreaker rain pant thingies. Underneath, I got like 4 jackets on top of my heated jacket now, and then I got a beanie, my Ruroc helmet on top, and then my balaclava, my Burton balaclava. We're gonna hit this jump. You know why? Because Shreddie loves hitting jumps. Why not? Let's see if Marv hits it. Yeah! Man, what an awesome day already. Yeah! Damn, Alec with the freaking power now. We're not leaving him behind anymore. That's so sick. Whoa! Almost saw an accident. That was a close call for that guy. All right, so I don't have 100% charge on this battery. I'm probably at about 80%. Hey, I want to thank all you recent subscribers from all the Huck content I've been putting out. Thank you guys so much. Without you guys, I would not be here. Thanks to the past, present, and future subscribers. You guys all rock. I hope you guys are happy to see me back on the 73, because I'm pretty stoked being able to jump on a bike and do crazy stunts, because the Huck, definitely I'm scared to do stuff like I do on this bike for sure, and taking it on bike trails. With this, it's just you're not gonna get people looking at you all weird like, why are you riding a motorcycle? Although it kind of looks like a dirt bike. How's the torque when you just hit the throttle?
It feels like I'm like fly backwards. That's how.
Really?
Yeah.
Race me.
Hold on, I'm going back on 5. Alright.
Ready, set, go. What? No! No way! No! What? How's that thing beat me? No way! That is hilarious. What a fun ride. Damn, Marv's bike is quick too. Damn.
Yo, you got smoked by.
Yo, that thing crushes. What? How's the power just throttle on that one? Oh yeah, that thing crushes. What? Wow. Yeah, Rad Power Alec. Now you're playing with power, super power. Yeah, that thing's got some freaking power, man. I bet you're happy as hell. Fun tests. That Black Lightning's only 750 watt.
Oh, it's not.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's an actual real one.
What? I'm getting whipped by 2 750 watt hubs. What? Man, we're gonna have to do like straight off, just throttle, no pedaling.
I only do pedals.
No, we're doing just throttle. Make sure you look both ways. And then you wheelie. It's like, do a wheelie. Come on. But you're Rad Alec. You're the raddest. You must know how to do wheelies. Can you do it on this? What? Nope. I'm trying. Nope. I'm garbage. Damn, two 750 watt motors. And I got a 1000 to 2000 watt peak. 2000.
Don't lie.
3000 watt peak. Oh my God, it smells like horse poop. Damn, I can't believe it's almost Christmas already. What the hell? Soon it'll be summer again though, which is pretty badass.
I'm ready for summer.
Dude, me too. How soon are you gonna upgrade the Black Lightning?
Hopefully.
Oh my God, already? He just got that bike, guys.
When it comes back in stock, I'm hydraulic brake.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. They're coming out of order.
Are you gonna order from Rad Power or Light Cycles?
Oh, so Electric Bike World, they have an aftermarket that they made for this bike.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
It's out of stock.
And they're already
They are pre-lubricated.
lubed and everything, so you don't have to bleed any brakes or fill. Then that's awesome. Pretty much plug and play all day. Can I make it? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's so much fun. Man, I love the lightweightness of this bike. Oh man. Guys, if you guys are enjoying the content, drop a like. It helps my channel grow. Hey guys, can you believe I still have the same inner tube that had the big ass nail through it?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the DILLOZ is still holding good.
Nice.
Yep. I probably wouldn't do that with the Huck though. Like if I did get a nail through it and the DILLOZ held, I'd probably still change the inner tube just because going 50 and something happens with this, like you can maybe still control it. But yeah, I haven't lost any air. Like it's still holding great.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
That's real good.
But Brett at Huck, he was like, man, I don't recommend that stuff because then you got to deal with the mess. It gets like nasty in the, oh God. Yeah, it gets like super nasty in there. But I like having that peace of mind. Like if I'm out, I don't have to change a inner tube or. You got slime? Yeah. Check out DILLOZ next time.
Is Armadillo better?
Yeah, they use like Kevlar fibers and like thicker pieces of rubber and stuff inside there.
Okay.
So you can shoot it with a gun and it won't even pop.
Yeah,
I want one of those so bad.
oh yeah.
So cool. Yep. Definitely. Woo! Yeah. Damn, that thing's got some back. Yeah. I held on to the front brake and it didn't stop, or it stopped, but hey, I got it on camera. That's all that matters. Yeah. That's my favorite thing to do.
Burnout.
Like put, yeah, like lean like this and then. Hell yeah. That would have been my second fall on this bike if I actually fell.
Would have been great.
Oh, would have been good for you guys. Definitely drop a like for me almost dying. That was pretty cool. Yes. Beautiful overfalls. I just had to go through some gravel. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking I could slam the brake, slow down, and then hit the gas. But I think I held on to the front brake, and that's why I went like...
Yeah. That's what happens. You got used to a hook.
Yeah. Yep. The front brake on the hook is the left brake. Or the rear brake is the left, I meant. All right, we're doing a beach ride, guys. Super73 RX, the Black Lightning, and the Rad Power. Ooh, it is windy. I'm so glad I'm layered up, guys. I'm barely getting any kind of oomphies. Oh, I can ride on this stuff right here. This is the stuff down here, like the more packed stuff. Just watch out for the water coming up. Hell yeah, this rocks. It's working. Wow, look at the waves. It's getting soft. Come on, you can do it, bike. No. I feel like once I start getting a little bit of umphies. Are they still behind me? Nope.
His bike's too heavy.
Okay. Give it a little bit of throttle when you walk it. There you go. Like light throttle, yep. We're getting a workout today. Yeah. Oh, the batteries hate me right now. Oh. Oh. Woo, that was a workout. I don't know if you guys saw on the live thing that let's hit the trail. That Brett did for Huck Cycles. He said he's adding, you know, like those motorcycle side bags, like those big ones, like those, I don't know what they're made out of, like metal, probably not even metal, like you can open them, store stuff. Okay. He's getting 2 of those on each side, 1 on each side, and you can put batteries inside of those, battery on there, and then battery. Yo, that would be like crazy.
What's he driving? 200?
The Huck.
Okay.
The Huck, yeah.
He must be trying to get like 200 plus miles out of it.
That'd be sick though, man. Do some kind of like,
anxiety, that's for sure.
Right, right. Do like a long range travel trip with it, like camping and whatever.
That'd be freaking awesome, man.
I would love that.
How's your battery voltage?
Oh, I don't have my phone out, but it's looking like I'm halfway. We're gonna have to charge somewhere, yeah.
How's your battery looking, Alec? 54? Okay. I'm down to 52.
Man, that would be cool to get 2 batteries on this new rear hub. 200 watt control, 200 amp controller. 200 amp controller. This thing would probably be going like Huck speeds by then.
You're probably outrunning them.
Oh my god. I bet you this frame probably couldn't even take that though. Yeah, oh, you think?
Dude, if a bicycle frame can handle 5,000 watts, it's like from Walmart.
Right, right.
Look at how beefy that is. That's built way better than Walmart bikes.
True that, yeah.
It could handle, that could handle 10,000.
Oh my goodness, guys, imagine that. Imagine going 50 plus on the RX. Oh. I'd be, yo, that jump in front of the church, I'd probably be clearing like 30 feet.
You'd probably jump back into the road.
Damn, that would be sick. No range anxiety there, 2 batteries.
Yeah, right?
Actually, I might have to upgrade the batteries if I'm gonna upgrade the motor, pushing up more power.
Definitely. This actually has really good with the torque sensing.
Yeah.
It's got really good pickup. Look.
Is it cadence or it's torque? Or it's torque. So the more you push the, oh no, torque. Man, I'm like confused on all this torque and cadence. I always get confused. Torque doesn't matter how much power you put into it, it's always the same. Oh, torque is where you,
the more you pressure you put
the more power it gives you. Okay. All right, now my gloves are coming back on.
Cadence, so it doesn't matter.
It just goes, yeah.
Goes. Huh? Yeah, yours is cadence.
So we got 2 cadence and 1 torque.
That's why you gotta be careful when riding wheelies if you're pedaling.
Oh.
Because it might give you too much intake on.
Right, and then you're flying.
Yeah.
Oh man. Hey guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Marv's black Lightning bike. That thing is awesome. I'm gonna be trying it out here pretty soon. And Rad Alec, he's stoked with that power he's got now. So Marv actually opened up his hub motor and switched out the internals to get the more powerful motor installed in there. The wizard of e-bikes, Marv. Look how powerful that thing is. Oh, we're going to mode 3. You know what little trail we're hitting. I love this trail. Now the pine needles are down, it's so silent. Damn, Marv is crushing this thing. He's all the way up there. The black Lightning, that thing's badass. I can't wait to try that thing. Oh, that was crazy. Sometimes you lose the trail, like where it's at. Woo! Oh, my biscuits. That hurt your butt? Oh, yeah. Ooh, I love that little turn. Oh, in the grass, or in the sand, I meant to say. You. Yeah. That trail is so much fun. Are you guys ready for another cheesy music video?
Yeah.
Brought to you by Shreddie.
Sinking further, how much deeper till I breathe the sea? Stop treading water, amalgamation of everything you wished I'd be. What's wrong with this picture? They belong to, they all need you, they don't want you. I just can't handle it all. We got a branch of a dying tree, and winter is coming for all I've done for those deceived.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that choosy music video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. That was a blast. I know Alec loved going that fast. Oh yeah, it's time to try out the Black Lightning. Go Black Lightning. Do 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 do. Look at how you have that seat up.
These are your gears. This is downshift, this is upshift.
Okay.
I wouldn't go no higher than what it is right now, like 5th gear.
All right.
It's in pedal assist. So you're in 5.
5.
As soon as you start pedaling,
It'll start.
You feel it.
Oh.
You know, you got throttle. But you hit the throttle, you're going to notice it doesn't have no get up and go.
Ooh, it's got my gazongas in weird positions. All right. All right, guys, we're trying the Black Lightning. So this is a torque sensor.
Yeah.
So the harder I push, oh my God, that feels crazy. Damn, the Black Lightning. Whoa.
She picks up.
Yeah. That's badass.
Hit the arrow button on your left.
Okay, up.
Yeah, go up to like 9.
9?
Yeah.
It's got 9 levels?
I can do up to 21.
What?
Oh, all right, hold.
Holy moly. Dude, are you kidding me? This bike is crazy. Wow. That is intense. Dude.
Pretty good?
Wow. I love the way that feels.
Yeah.
Whoa. Darn. What? Okay, the Black Lightning is a pretty badass bike if you want to get some exercise and go really, really fast. Darn. This thing crushes. Oh, let me not go through.
Yeah, no good.
Yeah. Wow. There is MPH.
There's your mile per hour right there.
All right, let's see how fast I can pedal. On level 10 or 9? 9, level 9. That's where I was. Whoa.
You can use the throttle like take off.
Whoa, this is crazy. Yo. Holy crap. 31 miles an hour. And I'm not even at the, oh my God. All right, let's do throttle only. 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh my God, this bike is going 36 miles an hour and still picking up speed. Are you kidding me? What? Guys, the HPC Black Lightning is awesome, guys. Let me know in the comments if you know anybody that has one of these bikes, and let me know what you think about this thing. Whoa. Wow, this bike brings a smile to my face. Wow. That is insane, dude. I hit like 36 or 37, and it was still picking up speed.
Yeah.
Oh. I guess,
like I said, it takes a little bit to get up.
Yeah.
Top speed, but I mean, should just keep on pulling.
That's crazy, dude. And I'm not used to the half throttle, so like I keep on holding it, and I'm like, yo, it's not stopping. I was hitting the brakes, I was like, it's not stopping.
And that doesn't have brake inhibitors, so if you hit the brake, it doesn't shut it off.
Oh, so crap. That's why I kept going on.
Yeah.
And then right now I'm not pushing that hard, so it's not really.
So like it barely gives you any assistance. It matches whatever you put in.
How does a 750 watt motor go 38 miles to 30? Like, oh, yes, that's sick. Is it just one wire? Like a wire? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. This is insane. This is insane. We're at 49 volts on the battery.
Man, you burned my
I was.
You know I didn't break the charger.
But you got another battery.
I'm going to be having my wire.
Oh, you forgot your charger. No.
Yeah, you know, I'm not used to having to bring a charger.
Yeah, because you always have like so much range with a bomber.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to. It's like anything I do, like far distance riding, I'm always on the bomber.
Yeah. Damn, the Black Lightning. This thing feels awesome too. Like,
lightweight.
yeah.
Regular pedal bike.
Like it feels like a really nice mountain bike.
Yeah.
Insanity. No wonder why you were crushing me. Damn, dude. This is like fun to ride too. Like it's actually really fun. Like when those people are like, oh, you're cheating. No, like I feel like I'm.
That there you have to work.
Yeah, like I feel it.
You can't fake that.
Damn, dude. Yeah. Do a kickflip.
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget, if you guys are interested in the rider bag, use code Shreddie10 for 10% off. Link down below. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Look at that. Yeah. Well, now we're on the search for food. Some gluten-free food for Alec. And some super fattening food for me and Marv. Can't believe I forgot my water bottle. Well, Chris Bliss ain't with us, so I don't have the super dry cotton. Don't worry about that. Dogfish head it is. Like always. I feel like we could just probably eat right out here. You guys know we're back at Dogfish Head. The buffalo chicken sandwiches. What you got over there? Tuna tacos. Them things look good, man. They're like seared. Oh man. I'm gonna pour some of that on there. Eat some of those fries. Yes, sir. See you on the flip side. All right, guys. Chicken sandwich is destroyed. And tuna taco destroyed. Oh, yo, I jumped the curb and like my front kind of turned. We'll go all the way to the end. Like I went to jump the curb, I pushed down and I accidentally turned while I was coming off. So I didn't want to, that was sketchy. Oh, beautiful Rehoboth Beach. Look at the clouds, they look cool. Yeah. Like marshmallows. It's little marshmallows. It's probably 4:20, baby. It's about that time. Woo woo. Yeah. Chris Bliss, where you at, my bro? Onto the boardwalk. Oh, weak waves. Wow, look at that. Look at the color changings. Like it's like blue, greenish, pinkish, purples. That is freaking gorgeous.
I don't think I've ever been down here when it's been this empty before.
Isn't it awesome? We could ride on here. Totally legal. Totally legal. This is Rehoboth. Yep.
I've only been down here once.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's pretty fun.
It's been well over 10 years ago.
It's definitely a beautiful ride. I love it. I love it. I freaking love it. Fire. That's so cool. That is badass. Victoria. Damn, I can hear the power, man. That's so awesome.
Yeah.
You hit the throttle, it's like, yeah, but can you do this?
I think you might do it without it.
Right? Without trying to pop it. He just like hits the throttle and it goes.
She's torquey.
It is, dude. I might have to upgrade my motor. But it's not as easy as yours. I have to do a bunch of changing.
Yeah, yours will be a little bit harder.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to change out your controller.
Yep.
And be a test to see if you got get your wires or not.
Right.
If they fry, they fry. If they don't, they don't.
Oh hell yeah! At nighttime too in the park, there ain't gonna be anybody there. We're gonna cruise. Oh, we're gonna cruise, guys.
Like last time.
Uh-huh. That was so much fun, man. But that was like pitch black. That was great. It was a lot of fun though. Oh, I'm following. Oh, it's sand at the end. Ow, 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 ow. I almost fell. Yo. Oh. It's like a lowrider. The torque, the power.
Now that's true rad power.
That is rad power. Rad Alec's rad power. Guys, you know what time it is. It's time to ride on the grade. Yeah. Oh man. You know who I wish would ride with me one day? Batman of Spokane. You're my homie, bro. Can't wait to ride with you one day, brother. Yeah. Mark, get set, go. I win. Only throttle, no pedal. Mark, get set, go. Throttle. All right. Number one. No. Get back. Get back. What the hell? How does 750 watts crush like that? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's starting to get cold. My teeth are cold. Oh, I need some more enamel up in here.
Yo, you said it was still going when you hit the throttle?
Yeah.
Were you using the throttle?
Only throttle.
Oh, you know what? I forgot I have cruise control set on.
Oh.
So if you hold it for more than like 6 seconds,
It just keeps going? And then how do you turn it off?
just hit the throttle again.
Oh my God, I could have died.
I forgot I had that on.
Yeah, what if I was like, I can't stop.
Look, this is like cruise control. It'll just
That's badass. Yeah, I got cruise control. What's up? Yeah! Yeah, cruise control, baby. Oh man. Guys, we always have a fun ride with these dudes, man. My homies for life. E-homies. Headlights, start turning on. Night cruise. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. That's what I'm talking about. Look at these colors, guys. What? It's like freaking National Geographic up in here. Look at this. I feel like there's gonna be like lions and tigers running through there. Yoo-hoo! Night riding. Love it. Guys, drop a like for night riding. Yeah. Hopefully I have battery left by the time I get back, because I am cruising. Look at that, guys. That is gorgeous. Whoa. Gray herring. Or are those blue herrings? I don't know. I know it's a herring because I see them eating frogs in the pond in my backyard. Guys, this is what the Super73 RX is all about. Just cruising these bike trails at night. Yeah. Don't do it when there's a bunch of people though. I'm not one of those guys. You know that. You guys know that. I like having fun. Look at that sunset. Ah! Man. This is quite enjoyable, fellas. Yeah! Black lightning, go black lightning! Black lightning, go black lightning! Yeah! Bomber Marv is black lightning Marv today! Yeah! Watch out for the bunnies! Half battery. Actually, I got less than a half battery. I had 49 volts. After the charge up at Dogfish Head, you guys know. You guys know. How's that thing so fast? That's only a 750 watt hub, guys. How the hell does 750 watts go that damn fast? What is making you go that fast? Like, is it the controller or what?
On this one?
Yeah, how?
It's definitely the controller.
It is?
Yeah.
Freaking Nat Geo. I said it's freaking Nat Geo back here. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Damn, my fingers are frozen. Oh, whoa, look at that. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. So sick. Back into Lewis, baby. Screw you guys, I'm out. Yeah. This is my light motion light, and then I don't know, this is one I found on the side of the road somewhere. I don't even know what brand it is. Like Shark Lights or something like that. Good find though. Oh, you guys know I'm catching a draft. Thanks, Alec. Catching that draft. I want to get up there, but I'm scared. Oh, I did it. Catch that Marv draft. Catching that Marv draft. Yeah, thank you, Marv. Nah, stay on the side. We'll stay on this bike trail here. Yep, drafting. Oh, this is tight. I was catching your draft, brah. All right, it's nighttime and the Christmas lights are out. Feeling festive, guys. That's cool. Oh, I love this. Love this town. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So they're calling this the Lights of Lewis. Christmas Lights of Lewis. That's badass. Deer! Damn, that's awesome. Cruise control. Shreddie cruise control now, baby. Let's push it down some. Let's get up to speed. Yee-hoo! It's a Christmas season. It's a Christmas time of year. We're going straight. I skirted. Skirt. That's so pretty. Christmas. Christmas. What a fun day so far. Fun day tonight. Hey, that's cool. Christmas. Back from the dead. Christmas. Get that back. Get that. Get it. I'm catching a draft. It's so awesome how this really works. Drafting. Oh. I can't catch it. That bike is so fast. Oh, it's shooting rocks in my face.
Say, eat that.
Yeah. What was that?
This guy.
My book bag made a noise. I like moved something and it was like, just made that it made that weird noise. That is an awesome display.
Yeah, it's called the Cycle AMOS. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Can you get that display for other bikes?
Hours. It tells you your watt hours, how much you use, your watt hour per mile.
What?
Splice it,
Yeah, you can make it for any bike, but they're a little bit more complicated.
Yeah.
It tells you like your average speed, your regen, all that. I don't have the regen hooked up though. Trip this 27 right now.
Oh, we've went 27 miles today.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's good to know. And I didn't even have a full battery to start off. Well,
Oh, you cheated.
we got a little charge.
I'm still at 46 volts, so.
Let's see where I'm at, actually. I feel like my battery's gotta be close to 38. The display is showing not too much left. It's saying 44 volts. There's no freaking way.
Yeah, that's pretty right.
But the display's never right, I guess. That's insane. So I'm still good. I'm still good for a little bit. Woo, not riding, go, not riding. Black lightning, go, black lightning. I just have a huge smile on my face, guys. My cheeks hurt from smiling all day. It smells like ganj. You guys smell that? Oh, man. Hey, guys, in the chat, in the Premiere chat, I really, really appreciate you guys joining the Premiere chat, because that really makes my day every time I talk to you guys in this chat down there. So if you're listening, please drop a like for this ride today. You guys are all awesome. Got to do the jump. You know we can't end a video without one more jump, guys. Oh, the power. It's dying. It's dying on me. Yes. Yeah. I can't see it. Right on. I love it. All right, guys, we have come to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed that fun journey with Bomber Marv and Rad Alec and their new whips and new and improved whips. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's the end of our video. If you guys enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And drop a like for Bomber Marv and Rad Alec and their awesome new ride and new and improved rides. So if you guys are ready for that moment of silence, for that subscribe button, are you guys ready for the moment of silence?
We're ready.
In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next ride.